talked to a number of people during the time of this process construction, and they're like, well, how did you come up with that design, and you know, what's next? And I'm like, honestly, I don't really know, and I didn't come up with any of the design. And it's like, how does that happen? Most people are very planned, and they see, you know, the design, and it's going to measure this, and it's going to go to this far, and this is not that kind of project at all. There's a lot of design and technology and all that stuff in his brain, like, during this project. Crazy looking stone, like coping around something, and you're like, that just does not fit, whatever. And then you hear the backstory of, oh, my husband really wanted blah 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 blah, and it's like, it kind of fits to your theory that, you know, let the artist that's doing this project and sees it as a whole already, let them do that. Because if you get involved in the process and say, oh, I really want, you know, flagstone all over this thing, or granite, or whatever it is, and you interject your little piece of that, it may not fit at all in the larger scheme. And I think, you know, some people's taste in certain things is just their taste. And it's not necessarily other people's that might say, wow, that's really ugly. So I would say leave that to you, from a materials perspective, definitely, to know the entire project, because you have that in your head, and to incorporate the materials that you feel are a part of the larger project.
I make enough decisions, and I have thoroughly enjoyed, yes, I can pick from 2 different tile colors, I can handle that. Otherwise, it gets overwhelming. I mean, I think to your average person, you're given so many choices. Like even building a house, you know, what color do you want this one? It's like, at least for me, that's how I am. It's like, no, I like it to be less choices, make that decision. And I think as long as the person understands you that's making those choices and knows what you like, that it's fine. And Neil's done a great job of knowing what we like, so there really hasn't been any issues.